For heating and cooling expertise in Wichita, Kansas, let BNC Services warm your home and chill your worries. Trust the local experts who know comfort inside and out. Our skilled team delivers top-tier solutions tailored for residential and commercial spaces. Experience the versatility and reliability you can trust. We specialize in furnaces and air conditioner repair, replacing old units with new ones, and maintaining all types of HVAC systems with routine schedules. For comprehensive heating and cooling solutions, choose BNC Services for HVAC expertise that stand above the rest. From dusty filters to brand new units, your go-to Wichita HVAC experts handles it all with trust and expertise. Count on us for comfort that lasts. Visit us online at bncservices.net or call us today.